Hello everyone, it's so wonderful to be back again after a while. Welcome to the space where I share the simplest recipes for both your spirit and your body. Today we're going to be making this super creamy, tasty, affordable and filling salad that will likely become a fan favorite in your household. It's packed with veggies, a little bit of pasta and loads of creamy avocado. Let's get started. Alright, so I cooked 1 cup of fusilli earlier on, which is what you're seeing in the video, and I'm just going to go ahead and add that to a large mixing bowl. This here is half a cup of chopped English cucumber. You may use whatever type of cucumber that you have available. Now, if you've hit the 4th floor, this is one vegetable you must absolutely include in your diet. I used 1 cup of shredded purple cabbage. Now I used just 1 large tomato in this recipe. I removed the seeds and chopped it up, and I'm just adding it to the bowl as you can see in the video. Now this here is 1/4 cup of diced green and red bell peppers. You can use whatever colors or types that you have. And then here I have 1/8 cup each of sliced celery and spring onions, which is going to give my salad that lovely fresh taste. Next up, I have 1/4 cup of chopped carrots, which is going to give my salad that sweet taste and crunchy texture. Now I used 2 large avocados in this recipe because avocados are my absolute favorite fruit and they are in season at the moment here in Kampala. There's 2 trees in the space where I live, so really I had to use as many as I can. Otherwise, 1 avocado actually works really well. Chop half and add it to the salad. Now you want to just gently toss until all the ingredients are mixed bulungi, and I'm going to be back shortly to share how to make the avocado dressing, but first, here is some food for your spirit. Alright, now to make the avocado dressing, add the remaining avocado to a bowl and mash it with a fork until you get your desired consistency. Then we're going to go in with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, and some salt and lemon pepper to taste. You can actually use regular black pepper if you don't have lemon pepper. Now you want to mix all the ingredients until well combined. And next, you want to just pour it over the veggies and pasta in the mixing bowl and gently toss until the veggies are coated bulungi with the dressing and your salad is ready to be plated. Let me tell you something. This is one amazing salad that is good enough on its own, and you're gonna just love it. So I thank you so much for watching today's video, and for more simple recipe adventures, please click on any of the boxes on your screen. Until my next one, may God amaze you with the best. Bye!